In some urban areas, designated traffic lanes have been reserved to improve the safety and flow of specific vehicles. These lanes are indicated by traffic signs and double-broken white lane lines, as well as diamond symbols to designate a reserved lane for certain uses. If you are driving parallel to a diamond lane and need to turn right, you are allowed to enter the diamond lane, but you must turn right at the next intersection. It's important to note that if you're turning right onto a street with a diamond lane on the curb lane, you must turn into that lane and then signal, check, and change lanes out of the diamond lane into the adjacent lane as soon as it is safe to do so. While using these diamond lanes, it's crucial to always be watchful and respectful of the lights of cyclists who may also be using these lanes. This helps to ensure the safety of all drivers and cyclists on the road, and prevent any potential accidents that may occur due to improper use of these reserved lanes.